Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Pine editor on TradingView Mobile. First, open the TradingView app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to any chart, then look for the indicators or FX icon. Tapping this will open a menu where you can find the Pine editor. It's a powerful tool for customizing your trading experience, allowing you to write and edit scripts directly from your mobile device. Once you've opened the Pine editor, you'll see an interface similar to the desktop version. To create a new script, simply tap the plus icon, usually found at the top or bottom of the editor screen. You can choose to start with a blank script or select from various pre-built templates to get a head start. Remember to give your script a descriptive name so you can easily find it later. Now it's time to write or edit your Pine script code. The mobile editor supports full Pine script syntax, allowing you to create complex indicators or strategies. As you type, the editor provides helpful syntax highlighting and basic error checking. After making your changes, always tap the Save button, typically represented by a disk icon, to ensure your work is stored. This saves your script to your personal library. After saving your script, you can apply it to any chart. Go back to the chart, open the Indicators menu again, and find your saved script under My Scripts. Tap on it to add it to your chart. You can also manage your scripts from this section, allowing you to edit them further, delete old ones, or even share them with others. This gives you full control over your custom trading tools.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.